Today is my 36th birthday, and I have never been happier, healthier, more in love with myself, my body, and who I am. Connected, sacred, wild, and holy. But guess what, guys? It wasn't always like this. Just 7 years ago, I was married. I was married in an unhappy marriage. Glamour, glitz, rockstar life, drugs, sex, rock and roll. That was my life, yep. But I let it all go. I left everything that I owned all those years back. I gave birth to the most beautiful angel, and I became a mother. The best day of my life. And ever since, it's been just the most beautiful trip, the most beautiful life you could imagine. No, it hasn't been easy. No, not at all. But it has been worth it. Today, I travel the world. I do what I want. I'm the queen of my world. I have been through the thick of the fire, full transformation. So I know that transformation is possible. And today, I'm helping others to transform. Today, I want to help others to grow, to know who they are, to remember who we are, so that we can live again like kings and queens on this earth. We can live from the earth, with the earth, in harmony with earth. And we can love ourselves, our bodies, our children, the people around us. We can restore balance on this earth again. So, happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to Earth. Happy birthday to everyone who is here today. I wish you all the most wild and holy ride on this planet Earth. Thank you for being my reflections. Thank you for all the love that you give me all the time.